This is the devastation that our neighborhood took. I'm going to try to be sensitive about getting people's property in here as well as I can, because it is very sad to see. It's been about a month, maybe a little more, and the city still hasn't been out to pick it up very much. They've picked up a little. I've seen people haul stuff away, but it's just pretty sad. I see people are like getting garbage containers and like just starting to go ahead and take care of it themselves, because like the city still hasn't come out yet and really gotten anything. You just see people's couches, like their whole lives are out here. It's so sad.